It's time to connect UI elements with our script. Conveniently, we have Game Manager, which is performing most of functions already, so that will be the place to connect our UI to. But first, let's plan a little. We have two text objects for displaying scores for each player. We have one panel, which holds two more text objects. When any of players win, we will show panel and upper text line should reflect the winner. So we need to have access to player 1 score counter, player 2 score counter, winner text, and game over panel. To gain such access, we have to map all these in our script by storing them in variables. Score counters are text, and to work with text, we first need to enable UI access for our script. To do that, at the top add using unityengine.ui. Now let's declare score counters. Public text player 1 score counter, public text player 2 score counter. Player victory is also a text, so let's do the same for it as well. Public text, player victory text. And game over panel is simply a game object. Public game object game over panel. Now save the script and head back to Unity. Let's assign our new elements. I have selected Game Manager game object, and as you can see we have 4 empty slots here, 3 type of text and 1 game object. Now I simply drag UI elements into corresponding slots. When this is done, our UI is ready for work. But before proceeding, I will hide Game Over panel, because we want to show it only when game is over. In the update player 1 score, after we announce winner, let's add a line to switch on our Game Over panel. Game Over panel dot set active true in parentheses. Set active command is responsible for activating and deactivating game objects. It is same as checkbox in the editor. If you want to hide game object, set active to false and set it to true to show game object back. Now let's change player victory text so that it reflects the winner. Player victory text dot text equals parentheses and in double quotes type winner player 1. As you can see, we take a string of text in double quotes and put its value as the text of our player victory text game object with help of dot operator. Let's connect player 2 counter text next. I hope you already have some idea how to use score counter elements to reflect player's score. Right after we have updated score, add a line. Player 1 score counter dot text equals player 1 score. This wouldn't work because player 1 score is an integer and text is expecting a string. Luckily, there is a built-in conversion command which will take integer value and pass it as a string. To use this command, after value you want to convert, add a dot operator and type toString. Open and close parentheses. Do the same with player 2 score. Now it's your turn to make this game a little bit more unique. Feel free to add some interesting objects at the background and assign different materials to them. Or you can also add a nice trail to your ball. Simply add Trail Renderer game component to ball prefab and configure it to your liking. You are the one who can set amount of goals to victory, change ball parameters, such as speed and size, adjust racket speed movement, and remap keys. I hope you are enjoying your game and will have fun with your friends playing it. And congratulations, you are officially a game developer now. Welcome to the club.